Doc, may sipon ko, 4 months. When to worry po kasi pinapainom ko siya ng cetirizine. Until now, meron pa. 4 months.
4 months, may sipon. So, binibigyan ng cetirizine. So, aside from cetirizine, we can still suggest sodium chloride, nasal spray, and then suctioning. Magtataranta ka na or concern ka na kung yung maliban sa sipon, meron na siyang ubo.
Lagnat.
Meron na siyang lagnat na nag-spike na ng 38.5 pataas. Patas hindi na siya masyadong dumidede. Or you have signs of rapid breathing or signs ng hirap huminga like allar flaring, malalim na yung paghinga, tas you have retractions, hindi na yan talagang sipon lang.
So, kung pan third day ba o second day, kailangan mo na sabihan si...
Kung pang third day, baby is may sipon, sinasuction mo, pero baby is well. Like, dumidede maayos, walang signs of respiration. Wala naman siyang ubo, sipon lang. So, I won't worry. I'll just be continuing the medications, providing mga supportive care, para wag lang mag-congest. Kasi isipin nyo, alit ng butas ng ilong ng bata, pag nabarhan pa yun, mahirapang huminga. So, irritable yung bata. So, I would just institute yung mga sodium chloride nebulization, suctioning, and then paracetamol kung may sinat yung bata. Pero tandaan nyo, once na merong ubo, yung may sipon na bata, at merong sign na nahihirapang huminga, definitely, it's really time for you to check with your pediatrician. Huwag nang paghintayin.